Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video, we'll try and understand the latest advisory which was uploaded on the GST portal on 16th March 26, which talked about a particular feature which should be confirmed before filing GSTR-3B, which if not saved and confirmed and checked, you cannot even file the GSTR-3B starting for the period of Feb 2026 onwards. So let's do a deep dive and understand this particular advisory which was released on 16th March 2026. Well, the basic process of filing a GST-3B is as follows. You prepare the return, step number one, with the details of the GST sales and how much of the GST that is liable to be paid. You also enter the amount of GST paid on purchases, which is basically your input tax credit. And after you click on the button of offsetting or set off, either through the cash ledger, whatever is available balance in the cash ledger, or through the credit ledger in terms of the available ITC, then the third step will obviously be for filing the GST-3B, which is the final step. Well, for the period of Feb 2026 onwards, according to this particular advisory, you will have to open a particular tab called the Tax Liability Breakup as Applicable tab. Open it, check the details, save it using the DSC or OTP again, come back, and then your filing option will be unfrozen or enabled. Click on that and you will finish the final step, which is filing the GSTR-3B for the periods of Feb 2026 onwards. So we'll try to understand this particular tab called Tax Liability Breakup as Applicable and what this is all about through the help of a simple example. Let's say in the month of Jan, you had a lot of GST sales and one such sale is rupees 1 lakh to, let's say, customer X. You forgot to show the sale when you filed your GSTR-1 and as well as GSTR-3B for the month of Jan. So now you have the option to file and show this particular missed out sale in the subsequent return for Feb 2026. Let's say the GST sale of Feb 2026 is again 1,50,000. So when you prepare the return for Feb 2026, you will show 1,50,000 which pertains to Feb itself and apply the GST rate of 18%. And then you'll also show the missed out GST sale of 1 lakh and also apply the GST rate, which let's assume it's 18%. So because you are showing the missed out sale or the sale of a previous period, your interest of 18% basically on the GST value. Your GST value is 1 lakh into 18. On top of that, an 18% will be applied per annum, which is basically into 30 by 365. 30 represents the number of days of delay, let's say from Jan to Feb, so 1 month, 30 days. This would be the interest and this will be auto-populated not in the same month's return, but in the subsequent month's return. Let's say in the month of March 26 return, your interest will be auto-populated because you showed the sale value of a preceding period. Now, all these details, the government says that, okay, before you file the GSTR-3B of a particular month starting from Feb 2026, you open the tab called Tax Liability Breakup as Applicable, and in that particular table, you verify what is your GST liability for the current month for which you're filing return, which is Feb 26. And if you have shown the sale value of a preceding return of a preceding month, then for Jan 2026 also, this IGST or CGST or SGST will also be displayed in this particular Tax Liability Breakup as Applicable table. So the moment you show any missed out sales or sales of a preceding period or periods, then all the GST of that will be integrated and shown as a summary in this particular tab, which you should save, confirm using DSC, OTP, EVC, whatever. Come back and then you will find the File Now button. Then you will find the File Now button as unfrozen enabled. Click on it and complete the last step of filing GSTR-3B. Now this avoids a lot of confusion, gives a lot of clarity, because this advisory came up a bit late and a lot of people were wondering how to file GSTR-3B because the File Now tab was frozen. Well, the idea is to go into this particular feature, this particular tab called Tax Liability Breakup is Applicable, confirm the details, save it, and your File Now tab will be open for you to file GSTR-3B. Well, I hope I was able to make things clear in this particular video. If you like the video, you could show support to us by hitting the like button. If you want more videos of these on a regular basis through way of notifications, you could also think of hitting the subscribe button. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and thank you.